Good afternoon, everyone. It's Dr. Tom Warcup at the Block Island Medical Center. We wanted to give you a status update on the renovations that have been taking place here at the medical center. We're going to do today just the downstairs and show everyone the progress that the construction teams have done. Allison and Carly's behind the camera helping us along the way. So if you start with, we're now entering downstairs. This area was formerly where physical therapy was and some utility rooms. And now they're being modified to be dental suites. And I'll show you where the physical therapy people will be at the end. If we turn right over here, this is going to be the new dental waiting room, which didn't have a dedicated space in the past years. And then behind me here are going to be the two dental operatories with Wood River Dentistry. They're our new partner for full restorative dentistry, pediatric to adult. If you're interested in communicating with them, just call Wood River Dentistry and they take care of all the scheduling for the dental process here on Block Island. So this is all on its way to being new. The dental chairs will be down here as well as a much bigger, more utilized space. Then if we go down the hallway, we're gonna have a variety of offices that are both kind of utility offices and some classrooms for our medical students. This is really the new exciting area as well as the dentistry suite. So the two main things that will be on the basement level will be the new dentistry area as well as the new physical therapy area. So there's going to be two major classrooms. There'll be a room here for group physical therapy, classroom events, group exercise programming that we'll have for the community. And then this area will be a more dedicated PT space that a lot of people will have probably seen off island, where there'll be tables here. Tom Hoban, we're working on additional offerings in the future with that. And there'll be to my left and Allison's right, a full shower. So people can come here and do physical therapy, and there's a full bathroom with a shower if they need to clean up before or after work. And so the main hallway that we came down will have some classrooms, some flexible space for offices. But the two main things on this level is Wood River Dentistry. Again, if you haven't utilized dental services on the island, please call Wood River Dentistry. What's really nice is to have a partner like them. If we need additional work for dentistry, you can just go over to their Hope Valley location and have it done in good successive order. And a larger physical therapy space with group exercising capabilities. Our next video will start to show you some of the changes on the main floor in the new trauma area as well as the upstairs. Thank you.